Hi everyone, it's been a very busy afternoon and night here. I think it's going to continue. Just missed the 6.3 here. It's just south of the Fiji Islands. We are concerned with the area around through here and down along there. So looking very closely at the area, south of Fiji has just had a 6.3. Very close to the 7 in Vanuatu, so it is a very active time that we're going through. My concern, as I said before, is what I see as a sinkhole in the Solomon Sea and also the Banda Sea. My indication, or what I saw in the vision, was the Mariana Islands first to set off a possible chain of earthquakes. There was one red writing, which usually means a 6 and over, and then there were 3 in succession, which I believe were around this area. When I saw the vision, I realised what I was looking at. It disappeared, so I didn't actually see exactly where the 3 were, but I did see Mariana Islands was the first part of the vision. So just repeating, we've just had a 6.3 south of Fiji Islands. It is a very active time, so just keeping an eye on it. Remember, exceptional times calls for exceptional beings. So let's help each other through all of this and be exceptional. Stand in integrity and be kind. Lots of love to all of you. Thank you.